Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Jan if you're new here. Today we're going to make some holiday sprinkle fudge. Super simple. 3 ingredients. You need 2 bags of these white bacon chips. These are 11-ounce bags or 312 grams each. Or you can use 2 bags of the white chocolate chips, which are, they're 12 ounces each. I don't actually know why these are 11-ounce bags and the white chocolate chips are 12-ounce. But either way, you need 2 of these or 2 white chocolate ones. You need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And you need a 1/4 cup of whatever kind of holiday sprinkles that you like. Now, in this is 3 tablespoons. And then I have the final tablespoon over here measured out. These 3 tablespoons will go into our fudge. That 1 tablespoon will go on top of the fudge once we get it into the pan. You also need an 8x8. You can spray it, but I highly recommend you use the parchment paper because it does not stick to this. It's so easy to get out, and you won't have a nightmare later on trying to get that fudge out of your pan. Even with spray, it still sticks. So here we go. And this is going in the microwave, by the way. I might need a bigger bowl. Let's see. Nah, I think we'll be all right. Okay, I need to open this real quick. Okay. Now this is right up my alley because, well, I love fudge and I'm obsessed with these sprinkles right now. And this is so easy. Try to make sure I give y'all some mostly easy and or quick recipes, and then hopefully some that that don't require a ton of ingredients, and baking this, and then you got another bowl, you got to mix this, and then you got another bowl, you got to mix this, and especially at Christmas or Thanksgiving, we all got enough to do. We don't need recipes that require us spending 2 or 3 hours in the kitchen making them. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get this everywhere. That's all right. All right. In the microwave, this is going 30 seconds. Y'all know the drill. 30 seconds, stir for at least 20 seconds. After that, I'll do 15 or 20-second increments until it's melted. Should take about a minute, minute 15. Okay, y'all see this? It looks like it's melted, but you can see all those lumps in it. That's not what we want. And that has been in the microwave 30 seconds, 20 seconds, and 20 seconds. So we're already at a minute 10. So now I'm going to go for 15-second intervals until I get this a little bit softer and a little bit smoother. Here we go, y'all. Oh. Okay. That's about as smooth as we're going to get this. All right. Now, we're going to take our 3 tablespoons of sprinkles, and in they go. Okay. spatula. Come on, baby. There we go. Just push it out best you can. It's already starting to harden up on me a bit, so. But y'all, I love this fudge. I don't know what it is about that flavor. I just love it. I don't know. Probably just because I don't know, it's just good. Okay. Now then, we're going to take our last tablespoon. And just spread them around. And again, any kind of sprinkles, just whatever you like. This is a mixture of 4 of them. 4 different, designs. And just kind of pat it just a little bit. You just want to make sure your sprinkles is actually sticking to it. You want it kind of just in the fudge, so it'll stay when we cut this fudge. Okay. And make sure your hands are clean. There we go. All right, y'all. In the refrigerator, 2 hours. You can attempt it at 1 hour, but 2 hours just to be on the safe side. And then we'll cut it and have a bite. Here we go, y'all. Now, I ended up leaving this for quite a while, so I put it in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. This is why I so much prefer parchment paper. It's so easy to deal with. Well, come on. There you go. Now. Well, okay. Look. Okay, let's cut this. Now you can cut this any way you want. If you have, those little Christmas cookie cutout things, that would be really cute for this too. The little Christmas trees and stuff. I've seen them done like that. Oh. Cut them in little pieces. You can cut them in big squares. Another nice treat you can give as Christmas presents, if you got kids that have teachers, school teachers. Guess it helps if you actually cut it all the way through, Jan. Okay. Besides no-bake peanut butter fudge, this one's my favorite, y'all. I don't know why. That's delicious. Make y'all some holiday sprinkle fudge. Easy, couple ingredients. All you need is a microwave and a refrigerator. Y'all give this one a try. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you. I'll see you soon.